Are you thinking about starting your own online academy? Then think about using the free trial from Thinkific to begin with, and we will see how easy it is to begin with Thinkific. So first of all, use the link in the description on top of this video to go to their website, and you can have a 30-day free trial with them. Simply enter your email address. For example, this is my email. Then click on start your 30-day trial. The next step is to sign up, for example, with Google, or to enter more details. So this depends on what you want to use. Enter your company size. For example, here it's only me, and then they will ask for debit card, credit card, to authorize you to start with a free trial. So here I enter my card details. And now I unlock the claim your offer button, and I can claim my 30 days free trial. It's simple and pretty fast. And once this step is done, so here uh, we have I have claimed my promotion and it is done. I have a 30-day free trial. So start by entering what best describes you. Are you a coach working with clients, with individual clients, and giving them personalized kind of training and following them, one each individual separately? Are you a trainer or educator? In which case you might have one or several classes with a regular group of people that is joining your courses or your events. You can be a content creator, for example. This is my case, and I mostly work on social media. You can also be a business owner. This is also, for example, my case. If education is not the core focus of your business, or none of the above if you are in a different situation. So in my case, I am a content creator. So I will start with content creator. What is the size of your following, your email list? So for example, in my case, I have, let's say, between 10 and 10,000 people following me. And tell a little about your business to start faster. So how much money have you earned selling your knowledge in the past year? In my case, it's between $1,000 and $50,000. Okay, now let's dive in what I would like to create first. We can create digital downloads, such as offering ebooks, guides, or templates, meaning content that the students will simply read without much interaction with the course. They will, for example, download an ebook and read it on the beach or whatever, and there will be no or little interaction. It can be a course. So in case of a course, you will have several videos, you will have quizzes, you will have exercises, eventually to make your course more tailored to your students. You can also have coaching sessions. So in that case, your clients will book time slots with you, which is again a very different type of online teaching. And finally, webinar, which is also kind of similar with coaching, but on webinar you can have a lot of attendees at the same time, so you are coaching a lot of people at once. In our case, we just want to transform our expertise into a course. Then you can choose if it will be free or paid. So here it totally depends on you. Personally, I recommend to have a mix of both, to have a bit of free products, so people can learn a little about you, and then have paid products to go further into the knowledge that you are offering. For example, we'll start with a free product. Now describe your audience and what they learn. So for example, my audience learns about sharing their knowledge online. So whatever you know about, it can be gardening, it can be yoga, it can be mechanic, it can be anything. You can create your online academy, sell your courses, teach students, share your knowledge, and hopefully make some earnings out of it. Now we can create our first course. We will have a draft being prepared by Thinkific artificial intelligence. They are adding the final touches, and here they are drafting for me my course. And here we go. I have my course, and I can review landing pages. So here we'll have a quick view at the interface, and in future videos we'll see more in detail how to set up your course and set it up for success. You also have some simple help that you will see on your first login, which is our case now. So we can review our personalized landing page. So each product includes a sales page and email marketing tools to promote the course. So this is where Thinkific has added value compared to other platforms. It helps you to promote, and you don't need any previous experience. Everything is very simple to understand. The interface is self-explanatory. You just have to follow the steps on displayed online. So next, we can manage curriculum and add content. So yeah, depending, of course, on your academy content, you can add various courses. For example, a free course to bring new students to your academy, then a first course for beginners to introduce to the skills you are sharing, advanced course for people that already took the beginners course and the introductory course, and for example, finally. Um, an expert course that will lead people to have a certification, for example, and to be able to share by themselves the skills that they got from you. So either use them in real life, for example, if you are teaching yoga and you want people to become yoga teachers, at the end of your course, they might be able to open their own yoga class. This is just an example. Of course, it depends of your own content. And in curriculum, you can add chapters with individual lessons. And here we have the very simple interface. We will go in detail in another video, but here you can just with a few buttons change the style of your course. So as you can see, it's all point and click. There is no need to know any technical skill related to web, to internet. You don't need to know HTML, CSS, these technologies. All you need to do is to know how to click and to have a skill to share, which everyone has and needs the proper platform to share it with their audience. So here it's how you can start with the Thinkific free trial, 30 days again for free. You don't need to advance any money. And once you are in, you can create your online academy, start sharing your skills, and we'll see in other videos how to do that properly. But here you go, you have your skill preset, and here you have a preview button. So anytime you do any change, you can just click this and see how it looks like for end users, for students and potential students and students. So this is what they will see. Right now there is nothing because I put nothing, but if you add something, and for example, this has been generated by AI. So a welcome section, creating an engaging course chapter, marketing your course, strategy for success, building a community. This has all been done by AI, and it can be done by AI for you to share your knowledge, make money of it, and teach your skills online. So let's see in another video how to go deeper in Thinkific interface and course creation to set you up for success.